Hello everyone, in today's video we make this simple decorative bell. We will use the centered stitch or waistcoat stitch. If you're not familiar with this type of stitch, I suggest you to take a look at the video in which I demonstrate in detail how to do it. I will leave you the link in the description box below, as well as all the material I use in this video. So let's get started. We start with a magic ring. We are going to make 6 single crochet inside the magic ring. This one it counts as a first stitch. We are going to make a total of 6 single crochet. I have my 6 single crochet. Now we are going to close the magic ring. We adjust a little bit while we do that. Do not close the magic ring all the way through because we needed that little space that you see here. Now we're going to join with the invisible join. Remember that this one is our first stitch. It doesn't have the top like the other stitch, but it's still our stitch. So we're going to close into the second here. We insert the hook, we pick up this loop, and we make it pass through the back in this way. Now we are going under this loop that we formed when we close, and we're going to insert our hook in that stitch that it doesn't have the top in this way. We yarn over and we pull through in this way. Then we pick up this loop that we set aside before. We put it on our hook, yarn over, and we made our first single crochet. Now we are going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So I made one ready. And 2. Next stitch, remember this is the center stitch or waistcoat stitch, so you work here in the middle. And that's all we need to do for this second round. I finished the second round. I'm at the end. Now we're going to join like we did before. Total we have 12 stitches. We are going not in the first, the one without the top, but in the second. We insert the hook from the back of our stitch. We pick up this loop and we pull through. Now we're going to start like we did before under the loop that we created. yarn over, we pull through, we put the other loop in our hook, yarn over, and we make our first single crochet. Now for the third and the fourth round, we are going to make single crochet in each stitch, just one. So my second stitch here, I'm going to make single crochet, next stitch single crochet, and I'm continuing this fashion through round 4. I'm at the end of round 4. We're going to close like we usually do. We're going into the second stitch here, that's what we have so far. You should have something like that. For round 5, we are going to make some increases. So we start with our first stitch like we usually do. Insert your hook, yarn over, we pull through a loop, we put this one back in our hook, and we make a single crochet. We will increase it to 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to make my second single crochet into the same stitch where I already have the first, into the second stitch here. I'm going to make 1, into the next 2, and we continue in this fashion all this round. I'm at the end of round 5, and if we did everything alright, you should finish with 1 single crochet. Total we have 18 stitches. Now we can close or join like we usually do. And the next round, round 6, it will be very simple single crochet in each stitch around. We start and we finish like we usually do, always. So single crochet around, I will finish the single crochet round and I will meet you there. I'm at the end of round 6. That's how it looks like. I already joined like we usually do, and now we're going to make our last round, round number 7. We are going to do like we usually do. First stitch, single crochet. In this round we are going to increase 2 in each stitch. So I already have my first. Going to make 1 more into the same stitch. Next stitch 2, and we will proceed in this fashion through all this round. I'm at the end of round 7. That's how it looks like. Now we can cut the yarn and join with the yarn needle. We're going to make the invisible join. So here is our stitch, the one without the head, the top. So we're going into the next stitch from the back, and we pull through. We go back in this stitch, the one where we came, and we join it in this way. So I'm going to weave in the ends, you can go as far as you like to secure your hands. I'm going to cut the yarn, and our bell is almost ready. Now with this hand that we have, we are going to pick up another small crochet hook, and I'm going to grab this end and pull through the top in this way. I'm going to stop with bigger crochet hook, and I'm going to make a couple of knots. You decide the size that you want them to be. This size for me is okay. I'm going to make another. And I'm going to cut the excess. Now we're going to make a little bow on top of our bell with a contrasting color of your choice. I choose this gold color for me, same type of yarn. We are going to insert the hook under 2 loops. You decide where you want them to be. We grab the yarn and we make pass through. In this way. Now insert your hook again, grab one side, and we pull through. In this way. Now with the other end, we insert the hook, and we pull through all the way. Then you will adjust the bow to your liking, of course. I'm going to cut the excess. And our bell is ready. That's how it looks like. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.